Namaste, welcome to Home #Life. This is a much requested video from you guys after I shared this dishwasher deep cleaning video. Our washing machines are our biggest assets in the house, isn't it? If you have small kids, then sometimes we feel like even worshipping the washing machine. In this video, I am sharing washing machine cleaning and maintenance tips, and I am sure this cleaning method will improve the wash quality of your washing machine. Along with that, I will give you a small tour of our small organized laundry area. So, let's get started. Say hello to our washing machine, and in short while we will say goodbye as well. I have been using this for 10 years now. It has served us so well. During the usage, the shockers of the machine are damaged now and it shakes a lot, moves around and it shouts so much. So we are planning to purchase a new one soon. I will keep you all posted. Regarding this one, this is a 6 kg front load washing machine. Let's look into the parts that actually need cleaning. And I really hope this video will be useful for all of you. Let me start off with the drum cleaning. I like to run an eco drum cleaning cycle or a descale cycle with a descale agent while I'm up for deep cleaning, yearly twice or depending upon the usage. Descaling helps to remove all the limescale buildups due to hard water and keeps our clothes fresh and odor free. If your machine does not have a drum cleaning option, don't worry. Simply use the longest and hottest cycle, which mostly is the cotton cycle. Now here I have two types of descaling agents. This one need pre-soaking and this one does not need pre-soaking. Just follow the instructions written behind the back and we are good to go. You can find washing machine cleaning tablets also. I haven't used them yet, so I cannot comment how they perform. This time I am using this quick descaler. I am not at all going to attempt to pronounce the name. You can always find the related product links in the description box below. As per the instruction, we need to empty the entire container inside the machine. I have descaled this machine 3 months back, so here I am using less quantity for the demo purpose. Now select the cycle. Be careful here. Do not exceed the temperature more than 65 degrees as mentioned here. Let it start. After finishing the cycle, we will come back and start the manual cleaning. Now the descaling cycle has been done. Open the door and let the hot air cool down a bit. Let's clean the detergent dispenser next. Pull out the soap dispenser drawer first. Press this release lever here and then pull out. Dismantle all the parts and clean it with detergent. If the area water is hard, then for deep cleaning you can use the chemical cleaner, which I prefer to do to remove hard water deposits. Take a mini brush and scrub nicely to dislodge tub soap and hard water residue. Rinse off thoroughly and dry. Do clean the inside of the compartment where the detergent dispenser goes. Put back the dispenser and we are done here. Most machines come with a mesh filter in the back where it has the water inlet pipe. Gently remove the mesh filter by using a plier. Brush, rinse and clean under running water and then put it back. Keeping them well maintained and cleaning them at least twice a year will remove any particles and prevent any blockages. Most machines come with a small removable drain trap door or drain pump filter door in the bottom right. Then unscrew the cap of the drain pump. Now take out the filter and clean it thoroughly. Take it out every few months, and cleaning and washing it thoroughly is a good idea. You will be so surprised at what you will find in it many times. As I wash doormats in my washing machine, it is a much required step for me to take care of the machine.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love.
Next, we come to the door seal of the machine. The groove of this door seal collects a lot of dirt and grime along with moisture. To clean the door seal, I have prepared my own cleaning solution with baking soda, dish liquid and vinegar. Take an old toothbrush. The bristle has to be soft. Agitate the dirt and wipe off with a damp cloth. If you observe after wash your clothes are getting black spots and foul smell remains, this could be one of the reasons. Also, which is not at all hygienic. Take an old cloth, peel back the seal gently and remove all the grime. Upar, niche, aage, piche, from everywhere. Clean all the nooks and crannies around this area. Make sure to wipe the front, the display buttons, the door, the back and sides with a very mild soap solution and cloth. It is important to run an empty cycle after we descale and deep clean the washing machine to remove residues. So let's start a rinse plus spin cycle here. I always decrease the RPM, which is revolution per minute, to minimum as there is no clothes inside to wring. Remove the clothes soon after washing. The more wet clothes stay in there, the more the chances are of smelly clothes and mold will form quickly. Always make sure to open the door for a while after every load to let the water dry so that mold won't form quickly. It is ideal to wipe the door seal after each load, but I don't do that often, but yeah, it is ideal to do so. Keep a cleaning rag accessible so that we can do a quick outside clean, as most of us have kept our washing machine in utility area or in a dry balcony.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop to think any of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now. It's not that you're timid, no one could say, choosing to walk with the gale. What shall we call us, hobos per se? We'll find that out on the way. So let us just do
I hope this cleaning method and tips will improve the wash quality of your washing machine. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and if you have enjoyed watching the laundry area tour. Subscribe to Home #Live for more such content, and you can always find us on Instagram and Facebook for more videos, pictures and life updates. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.